Our partnership with Peel 3D has given us the ability to provide more services in a timely fashion for our customers, which is a benefit for both of us. Tebis is a CAD/CAM software company, and one of the services we provide is a true digital twin of their CNC machine, which we use the Peel 3D scanner to capture. We get CAD models from the machine tool manufacturer themselves, and sometimes they don't match what's really on the shop floor. It can create collision problems, which is downtime repairs, which is very costly to the customer. The Peel 3D solution is what we use to capture the shop floor, the machines that are there. We're able to read that mesh into our software and create a true digital twin that allows them to run the machines unattended and safely, because we also capture the behavior of the machine along with the physical components. They can plan what goes on which machine and what will fit and what will not.
We go on site to these customers to measure their machines. It's scheduled time that's very expensive, and we can't really afford anything to go wrong. So we needed this solution to fit right away and just start working immediately.
A lot of the constraints and limitations that we faced were customer environments. Every shop is different, so we needed something that was amicable to every environment that we were into. So if we have to ask a customer for a full day to set up our equipment and get this done, it's painful for the customer, so we wanted it to be as painless as possible.
Before using the Peel 3 scanner, we were using heavier, bulkier equipment, and we had logistic issues with shipping. The Peel 3 scanner is much smaller, more portable. We can take it on a flight or as baggage, and that's more convenient.
Peel pretty much checked all the boxes we were after. We've used Peel the last 2 years on many projects, actually. There's been a significant amount of advantages for us by implementing this piece of equipment into our workflow. One of the bigger ones is not only do we get the data capturing done quicker, but it allows us to be more competitive in our pricing because our quotes don't include so much time, and now we can do it in less than half of a day. Capturing a digital twin of the machine tool component is of the utmost importance, and that's what kind of sets us apart. And Peel is a key component to that.